Hi, this is Sandra again. I'm here with you with another recipe. And this recipe is a bread pudding, but you do it with leftover biscuits. What do you do with leftover biscuits? You do not want to throw them away because you've done such a good job baking them and everybody just get full on a biscuit, so you throw them away. But what I do, I put them in a plastic bag and freeze them. And when I get enough, I make a bread pudding. So this is what I do. I put a can of evaporated milk, and then I put a cup and a half of regular milk. I put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I put a cup of sugar. And then I put 4 eggs, well maybe 5 eggs. If they're small, 5 eggs. And I blend it together, just like so. And then I get the biscuits. I put the biscuits like this at the bottom. I add raisins. And my daughter knew I was making this bread pudding. She's a bread pudding addict. She loves bread pudding. So I put raisins. And I sprinkle cinnamon on top. Yes, you have to put the cinnamon on top. And then I pour some of the mixture like that. And then I put more bread like that. Some people put butter in theirs. It's good to put melted butter, but I didn't put melted butter in this because I'm cutting down calories for her. And then I put some more raisins like that, and more cinnamon, and then more liquid. Yes, indeed, like that. And then I turn these up top, like that, and put the rest of the raisins in there. Now you can melt butter and pour on top of this if you want. So we might just do that, don't tell her. Then we put the rest of the mixture all on top like that. And we're going to let this soak in for a while so it can soak those biscuits. And then we're going to come back with video 2 and show you the finished product. Let's put some more cinnamon on top of that. We're going to melt a stick of butter and pour on top. Will not tell my daughter. This is Sandra, and I want you to say this is going to be a part 2 of this biscuit bread pudding with raisins, and I love raisin and cinnamon. Come back with you in just a minute. Hi, this is Sandra again. This is the biscuit bread pudding, the leftover biscuit bread pudding. So we have solved all the liquid mostly. See there? All the liquid is almost into the biscuits. That's what you want. We add some more raisins. And I'm going to add a little bit more cinnamon because I love cinnamon on a bread pudding. And it smells so good. My goodness. So what we're going to do is add the butter. We're going to add the butter evenly all over like that. You can use margarine, but I like using butter. Okay, and then we're going to put it in the oven. And after we put it in the oven, we're going to make a whiskey sauce to go on top of it. One of those old-fashioned country whiskey sauce. Okay, this is part 2 of the leftover biscuits bread pudding with raisins, vanilla, cinnamon, and of course leftover biscuits and butter. And we're going to put it in the oven and let it stay in the oven for about an hour. And then we're going to show you how it looks, and we're going to show you how the whiskey sauce looks on top of it. This is Sandra. Look for part 3 for the leftover biscuits recipe for bread pudding. Hi, this is Sandra, back with you with part 3 with the bread pudding made over with leftover biscuits. Look how beautiful it's set up. Oh my goodness, look at the custard. Oh, it turned out real good. So what we're gonna do now is to make we're gonna make whiskey sauce, but we decided to make rum. We're using some rum over here, some cheap, inexpensive rum. We got a cup of milk, a cup and a half of milk, and we're gonna put some vanilla. Not vanilla, yes, we're gonna put some vanilla. And we got about a cup of sugar and about a cup and a half of milk. And we got 2 tablespoons of rum. Yes, we do. And we're going to make this slurry. Well, I can't say it correctly. Let's see if I take this out. We're going to make this thicken. We're going to pour it in like that. We're going to get it to a boil. And we're going to make our sauce to go on our biscuit, leftover biscuit and bread pudding. Okay, this is getting thick. See how thick it's getting? It's getting thick. Now you can put brown sugar in it if you want, but this is fine. Then you put butter. Put about a tablespoon of butter in there like that. Oh, it's getting thick quick. Look at that. Butter melting. Tasting good. This just tastes like rum. Yes, it does. Tastes like rum to me, y'all. Look how thick it's getting. We can cut it down. I'm just sticking it with the butter. Something about the butter and the rum. That's real good. Okay, we got it all incorporated like that. Now, while we stirring this like this, to make sure all the butter is melted inside. Now, some people can add different flavors, like lemon. That's so good. Like lemon pie filling would be perfect for this. Okay, we're gonna dip into this. Wow, look at that. We're going to dip into that. That is delicious. Look at that softness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that softness in there. I'm going to pour some rum sauce on top. Woo, look at that. Now that's a bread pudding. Look at that bread pudding. Oh, that is so looking good. That bread pudding is looking so delicious. I want a little bit more sauce on mine. Just a little bit more sauce. Wow, I love that sauce. And that's the bread pudding. That is so delicious and so yummy. That's a bread pudding made out of leftover biscuits. What to do with leftover biscuits? Make you a bread pudding, child. This is Sandra. Want to tell you happy eating. Hi, this is Sandra. This is the finished product of the bread pudding. Bread pudding made out of leftover biscuits. This is what you can do with your leftover biscuits. All you have to do is save them and put them in a freezer bag. And when you got 6 or 7, you can make you a bread pudding. This is the finished results of the bread pudding with the rum sauce. We was gonna make a whiskey sauce. We decided to make a rum sauce. Look how soft and delicious the pudding look. It's brown and it don't taste like no biscuits. It tastes like a regular bread pudding. Oh, this is a delicious pie. I mean, you can call it a pie, whatever you want to call it. But this is what this is. Look at the cinnamon. Oh, my goodness. Look at the richness of it. This is Sandra. If you want to get this recipe, go to soulfoodqueen.net and key in bread pudding, and you'll get this recipe.